Welcome to Geometry A. Please use the following example to help you complete your practice problems for this lesson. Example 7. M, N, and O are the midpoints of the sides of the triangle. Find A. The distance of line MN. B. The distance of line XY. C. The perimeter of triangle XYZ. Since we are working with midpoints and midsegments, we will need to use the midsegment theorem. The midsegment theorem states that the midsegment of a triangle is half the length of the side it is parallel to. As well as understand the definition of a midsegment. A midsegment is a line segment that connects two midpoints of adjacent sides of a triangle. With this information we can conclude that for part A, line MN would be equal to line OZ because MN should be equal to half of line XZ according to the midsegment theorem, and that line OZ is half of line XZ with a midpoint at point O. Part B. Using the midsegment theorem, we know that line XY should equal line ON times 2. We know that line ON equals 4, so then line XY equals 4 times 2, which equals 8. Part C. The perimeter of triangle XYZ is going to equal line XY plus line YZ plus line XZ. Since we know that triangle MON is made from the midsegments of triangle XYZ, we can use the midsegment theorem to determine that line XY will equal line OZ times 2. With line OZ equal to 4, we know that line XY will equal 4 times 2, which equals 8. Line YZ will equal line MO times 2. With line MO equal to 3, we know that line YZ will equal 3 times 2, which equals 6. Line XZ will equal line MN times 2. In part A we found that line MN equals 5, so line XZ will equal 5 times 2, which equals 10. Our perimeter equation now turns into 8 plus 6 plus 10, which equals 24. So the perimeter of triangle XYZ is equal to 24.